They're supposed to be really comfortable. They're supposed to be really good running shoes. So I'm really excited to try them out. Whoa. Hey, what up guys? Pabs Moneybags here, back with another sneaker unboxing. So I received the package for today's sneakers. Well, it was rainy outside. It was this quite ugly day outside. And my people over at, I think it was FedEx this time around actually, they were nice enough to put a bag over the package so the shoes wouldn't get hurt or damaged. Because I don't think shoes can get hurt. Like, I don't think they got physical, or they don't sense physical pain. Anyway, today we have the Air Zoom Pegasus 35, I think that's the name. I found them once again on Nike for sale. Nike actually has some really good deals right now. And I saw these, it wasn't too much money because I was still waiting on a refund from Nike as well for the, I think it was the Air Force One boot. Why is this not cutting? Ow. So this was a pretty cheap option. I think I ended up paying like $106 total for it. I'm not 100% sure what foam these come with, because I know the latest Pegasus, which was a turbo, I think, turbo something, if I remember correctly, had the Zoom X foam in it, which is the same one that the Vaporfly 4% has. Therefore, it's like a pretty decent running shoe. But I'm pretty sure this one should be just a regular foam. They're supposed to be really comfortable. They're supposed to be really good running shoes. So I'm really excited to try them out. Whoa. Magnifique, mon ami. Out the box, they do come a little bit creased. But if you guys don't know, because I didn't know earlier this year that running shoes are meant to come like that, because it's just the foam that they are designed with. But I'm liking this colorway so far. I chose this one because I thought it was really neutral. I thought it was like it's this navy bluish, or they call it like football blue. But then it's got a little bit of hints of light blue. Ooh, these are looking crazy. They're light. Oh, and that's also another thing. I was looking for this detail. It's really hard to see it. These come with or this specific model, or the shoe, or this specific Pegasus, I guess, comes with a 35 written over here in the heel area. But right now, let's go ahead and get started with the details. You got a really large Nike swoosh. You got a large Nike swoosh over here on the outside of the shoe, but then the swoosh, or the same swoosh, is actually found literally on the same spot on the inside as well. Staying over here on the outside, once again, you got the 35 on this specific colorway, really hard to see. I gotta shine some light in order to be able to see it. Going towards the midsole, you got Nike Zoom branding. You got this really interesting pattern that also goes along with the color scheme throughout the upper, the toe box as well. You got the little openings or pores on the toe box. Again, it feels like it's gonna be really breathable, so I'm excited about that. Going towards the inside, besides the Nike swoosh, there's really nothing else. So let's go ahead and move to the back right now. Nothing too special. The only funny thing, or to me kind of funny, the fact that this part of the collar kind of sticks out. But besides that, just a reflective triangle running from the midsole to the collar, or pointing at the collar. And that's about it on the back of the shoes. On the tongue, you have Nike Zoom Pegasus 35. So the shoe model, the shoe name. The laces got a little bit of a pattern going throughout them. Feels like nice quality laces as well. So I appreciate that from Nike, especially in running shoes. You got Nike swooshes right below the heel. And then besides that, it's just this pattern running throughout the inside of the outsole. And then also this line rectangle type pattern running on the outside of the outsole. But on the insole, you're gonna have running, and then a can you see it? There you go. And then a Nike swoosh all the way on the inside of the, that's on the right shoe, because like most of their shoes, or some of their shoes, I mean, Nike does this where they switch it, where on the left shoe you have, on the left shoe, my bad, you have Nike swoosh below the heel, and then running into, get it? Running. But yeah, pretty excited about the shoe. Again, I don't know, for the price point, I think it's a pretty decent quality shoe. But the one thing that's gonna really tell the quality is gonna be once I put them on and actually run on them. Oh, that's funny. So in these little spots, these little white spots that stick out on the outsole, you can actually see a little bit of the foam. Oh, are those arrows? Oh, I just noticed that. What? So these, the white spots or the white spaces in between the other pattern that I noticed earlier, they're meant to be arrows. Well, this is what I'm assuming, that they're arrows and they're pointing forward, because you always gotta run forward. Because in a race, you're not gonna run, you're not gonna take steps back. I like this shoe. It's a motivational shoe. What the f? But that motivated me to go ahead and see how these look on feet. But anyways guys, that was it for today's video. I really hope you liked it, and if you did, don't forget to leave a thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe to keep on watching more sneaker unboxings. But yeah, once again, that's it for today. Thank you guys so much for watching. You guys are amazing. Best money bags out.